Yo, what's going on, everybody? Today we got a skate clip from Mike Poley. He's out in California right now. Mike's pro for Shut Skateboards out of NYC. Skating a super famous spot. You've probably seen this spot in the girl video or the Lakai video. Mark Johnson's got a bunch of tricks on it. Mike's got one of the best nollie flips in the game, so this clip got me hyped to go skate some manual pads. Nollie flip nose manual, looking tight. Alright guys, let's talk about some stocks. Today I'm going to be showing you a little mistake that I made so you can try to avoid it. There's a couple things that went wrong. It was a winning trade that I ended up turning into a loser. Still hanging on to it, but let's discuss. Okay, so here's how I took a winning trade and turned it into a losing trade. Don't make these mistakes that I'm about to show you. This is the stock chart of INUV. You'll notice I bought about $100 worth of it. And so why I chose to buy this stock is simple. I had noticed right here that the stock had gapped up to here. I had looked at it on this day. We're looking at this in the day time frame, by the way. And I had noticed that it had gapped. So I knew there was some attention to this stock. Something was going on over here. The chart was kind of speaking to me. And what I did is I looked back. I saw the last move where there was an uptrend and a pop. I noticed where the last move was. I set an automatic buy order above the highs of the last move. And sure enough, it popped, and within one day it had made a large jump. My first mistake was I bought that with unsettled funds. It means that I had money that hadn't cleared back into my account yet. Yes, the money was mine, but Webull hadn't transferred it back to me yet. So it was still being processed. So I wasn't going to be able to sell. I had the ability to buy, but not the ability to sell it. So I wasn't going to be able to day trade. So I would have gotten out probably that day after making, a good amount of profit. The second day came, I still hadn't had those funds clear, and the stock went even higher. I still wasn't able to cash out. So the third day, I should have cashed out, but I didn't because I saw this doji right here of a hammer, and it looked kind of hopeful that it was going to maybe go higher, push back up. So I kept holding, and I kind of lost interest, and I didn't really have a game plan. So my first mistake was that I bought with unsettled funds. The second mistake was I didn't have a game plan. It came back down. The stock even gave me a second chance to sell, and I just wasn't paying attention. I was probably preoccupied with something else, and I didn't have that plan like I was talking about. So I missed this chance again. And lately the market's been taking a beating. It's come all the way down. I haven't gotten stopped out, but we're hovering right around taking no profits now. So I really screwed up. The market gave me two opportunities. I made two big mistakes. You got to learn from this. This is how you take a winning trade and turn it into a losing trade. I had plenty of opportunities to make 80% on my money, but I made a few basic mistakes and screwed it up. So with that, I just want to put a little disclaimer in there that stock trading is risky, so be careful out there. And also, I'd just like to say thank you for all the support. I didn't expect to have 30 subscribers already after 3 weeks. So keep liking, keep subscribing, try to leave some comments. Let's keep this board rolling. And I just want to say keep skating, keep trading, and I'll talk to you soon.